If you're like us and just need a basic printer every once in a while, but are tired of the ink going dry for the few times you use it per year, this HP LaserJet M110we is the perfect solution. I like the size of this, I like how quickly it prints things, and it takes toner, so I feel like the ink isn't drying out, like I said, in between printing. And it's wireless, so I can print straight from my phone. With modern technology, I don't need to get on the computer to print something. I can just do it straight from my phone, run into the office, and grab my paper. We've had this for over a year now, and I haven't had to replace the toner yet. It has the simple plug-in to an outlet, and it's a great simple printer.